Hurricane Helene is already causing major flooding and damage.
This is a look at Fort Myers in Florida right now. High winds ripping the roof off of houses already. The Weather Channel's Molly McCullum gives us a look at how the storm is going to impact people from the coast all the way here to the Midwest.
Hurricane Helene is 150 miles to the west of us in Sarasota, but as a testament to the size and the strength of this major hurricane, these are the impacts we're feeling in Sarasota right now. Strongest wind gusts so far, 67 miles per hour. And this is what Sarasota Bay looks like as we approach low tide. This concern, of course, is as Helene passes to our northwest, the wind direction flips around, bringing stronger onshore push of water as we move from low tide up to high tide through the overnight hours. That is the concern, not just here in Sarasota Bay, but also the barrier islands, which have been evacuated. But we know the worst of Hurricane Helene is still yet to come in parts of the Big Bend, making landfall as a major hurricane later tonight. In Sarasota, I'm Molly McCullum, the Weather Channel.
So the storm surge is going to be a big factor for folks in Florida, right?
I guess the big advantage is we have been talking about this for days and days and days. So there has been time for people to evacuate, to get out of the area there.
Yes, and they were told the rain, the wind, and as you pointed out, the storm surge could be devastating, 10, 15, 20 feet in some locations. So think about tops of trees, if not higher. Those big palm trees that if you've ever been to Florida, you know what I'm talking about. So this is something we're going to be monitoring once this makes landfall, and that should happen, we think, around 9, 10, 11 o'clock tonight, so be sure to check back with us. We'll be keeping you updated. I do want to take you from central Indiana into the state of Florida, where they have tornado watches, hurricane warnings. You can see where we had our Weather Channel reporter stationed near Sarasota. The rain really continues to come down, and with a landfalling hurricane, also deal with a tornado threat. These red boxes, these are tornado warnings for the area just to the south of Tampa. We've had a few tornado warnings in the eastern sections of Florida as well. Much quieter day for central Indiana. Obviously, we had a mix of sun and clouds. 81 this afternoon. That is a bit above our average high of 74. We're going to spend the next several days in the 70s monitoring the rain and the wind from powerful Hurricane Helene. 79 degrees right now. Winds not an issue. East-northeast at 11. No rain today, but rainfall potential over the next several days along and just south of I-70, an inch or two. Once you get south of Bloomington and Columbus into that range of 2 to 3 inches or more. This won't come all at once, so we're not expecting widespread flooding, but low land flooding as we get under some of the heavier rain bands will be a threat. In addition to the rain, we are dealing with that strong wind threat as well. This will begin overnight and early tomorrow with gusts near 30 at 8 a.m. This time tomorrow, gusts will be near 60. And in this range of 40 to 60 miles per hour or plus, that could last several hours. And that's the concern as far as wind damage and power outages. The rain arrives around midnight, lowland flooding possible. Those strong winds start around 10 a.m. Those 30-plus mile-per-hour gusts may last for 24 hours, with the strongest gusts during the afternoon and evening tomorrow. It's the reason we're under a weather impact alert day tomorrow. Power outages possible. Make sure you charge those electronic devices. Future Track 13 shows the rain bands arriving tonight, becoming heavy at times off and on tomorrow. This is noon. This, by the way, will have an impact in the morning and the evening drive, as well as those high school football games with strong winds and heavy rain. And then this weather system just basically sits down to our south, so that rain chance will continue as we head into the weekend. So not only impacting high school football, but we've got college football games as well on Saturday. You'll need the rain gear at IU, some spotty showers, and still a little breezy at Purdue as well. Weather impact alert day tomorrow with the rain and the wind, and then the off and on showers will continue as we head into the weekend. Just check back with us often. We'll keep you updated.
Yeah, but those big gusty winds for tomorrow are nothing to mess around with.
No, definitely think about right now clearing your yard, bringing down the patio umbrellas. All of that will be an issue tomorrow.
Furniture, and we have a potential for power outages.
All that, yes.
Yeah, okay, thanks so much.